Morning guys, this is our new project, another one added to the channel. Needs a new tyre, so it looks a bit bald there. Bodywork looks alright, obviously I've got to clean it first. That tyre's a good one. Seven seaters, they sell quite good. This is quite a good, it's got all the parking sensors, aircon, all that. It's quite a clean car to be honest. Hopefully it's not much work. Good tyres on that one. It's got MOT until I think it's November. So it's good. Another good tyre. Inside, it's a bit grim, as they always are. It's done 139, which is good for these engines because they can do like 300 or 400,000. It's a bit warm buttons, but just go on eBay and buy some. Mud guards come off. Nice footprints everywhere. It's got all the Alecki windows in the back. Fold up cup holders. Can't get the boot open. How do you do that? Right, I'll just get the key. Right, so far, all I can see that's wrong with this is when you start it, it starts up perfect. It starts lovely. Right, this is my noise. Sounds to me, the power steering pump's gone because it's got fluid in it and I can't see any leaks. And when you rev it, it doesn't stop. Oh yeah, I've got an airbag bar on as well, but I'm sure that's something simple. So we can open the boot up now. Boot's still not opening. Let's turn it off. There we go, there's the boot. Lots of space. Got some free jump leads, battery cover. Another nice clean, tidy in the back. All the scene's going to need cleaning. But once I scrub it all up, it look alright. More chuffed with that. Although there's a few little scratches here where this little dink is. I'm trying to pull that out, polish it all up. But look at that, once it's all washed, I just noticed I've got to buy a new one of these. But once that's all polished with a nice black T-cut, it's going to look a nice little car. I'm just going to take these off, just have them blank. And that one, because if they're missing they just look tacky. There's no point buying them. Yeah, there's basically no dinks or a little bit of touching up there, touching up on the doors a bit. Apart from that, I'm really pleased. Nice cracking car. Great family car. Right, that's what I've done so far. Cleaned all the plastics, hoovered, just got to clean all the seats, but it looks a million times better now. Looks all nice and clean. It's got all the like weird pockets as well because it's a Galaxy. There you go. In the back, needs a proper good old wet vac, but It looks so much better now. All hoovered. It's actually quite a nice car. The boot is massive, even though the seats are down. I mean, seats are up. The boot's huge. I'm quite happy how it's turning out so far. Once it's all wet vaxed, it's very spacious. The seats are very grimy.